what is quality? An attribute or qualification, a characteristic, a parameter, an index, or the combination of all these, and if not, then what? Look at the two pictures shown here. One is of a beautiful lady and the other is that of a handsome man. It is difficult to define the beauty of the lady here, and similarly the handsomeness of the gentleman shown in the picture. But overall we can say the lady is beautiful and the man is really handsome. Thus, if someone asks me to define beauty, it is difficult for me to do so. But if I see something, I can tell if it is a beauty or not. Quality is exactly like this. There are as many dimensions of quality as of beauty. It is a very complex phenomenon. Hence, some standards need to be fixed to discriminate between quality and non-quality. In the early 20th century, the manufacturers began to include quality processes into quality practices. The earliest sign of quality is seen in the 1450 BC. An Egyptian wall painting shows evidence of measurement and inspection. The modern quality movement can trace its roots back to medieval Europe, where craftsmen began to organize into unions called guilds in the late 30th century. During the Middle Ages, many of the guilds of craftsmen were established to guarantee the quality of workmanship and define the standards to be expected by the customers. Then came the era of Industrial Revolution. Many of the technological advances such as development of steam engine were made possible through development in metrology and standardization of the engineering components such as screw threads. During 20th century, with the advent of mass production, an emphasis was laid on control of product quality and its standardization. In the post-World War II period, organizations sought to gain competitive advantage and reduce costs through inspection of product quality. Techniques of quality control gave the desired cutting edge. During 1960s and 70s, Japanese success in manufacturing caused a paradigm shift from quality control to quality management. In 1980s and 90s, forced by the fierce competition, a new quality approach named by total quality management evolved that emphasized the customer focused management through teamwork. In the 21st century, when the concept of global economy came into existence, the concept of quality also changed due to opening of a competition at the global level. The emergence of a global economy has stimulated worldwide interest in catching up the new meaning of quality. It is being realized now that the global competitiveness needs a new definition, a new focus, an understanding of quality that shall include the customer perspective as a must. Just the customer satisfaction will not do. We will have to assess the customer's inspirations and develop new methods to create customers' delight. Those will lead the market who will keep in mind the vision to dazzle the customers. Let us explore the meaning of quality looking through customer's spectacles. Customer applies three criteria in his definition of quality. A, quality of the physical product, for example, looks, stylishness, durability, reliability, ease of use, etc. B. Quality of service. For example, accuracy of advertisement, timeliness of billing process, responses to the warranties, both specified and implied, and ongoing product supports, etc. C. The psychological aspect. For example, how well do the sales and support staff know their products? The courtesy, the sensitivity of the staff, and brand reputation, etc. Then let us explore what is customer satisfaction versus customer delight. Customer satisfaction is a result of meeting specified customer needs as well as some commonly implied needs. As against this, customer delight is resulted by anticipating customer needs well before the customer himself feels and asks for this. Fulfilling customer needs and doing it timely. Achieving customer satisfaction is no more a competitive edge now, but it has become an entry level requirement to start a business in the competitive market. Customer delight is the real competitive edge in the global market. There are 9 salient dimensions of quality. Number 1, performance of the product. 2, features of the product. 3, reliability of the product. 4, conformance to its specifications. 5, durability of the product. 6, serviceability of the product. 7, aesthetics of the products. 8, perceived quality of the product. And lastly, ease of use of the product. Traditional definition of quality have focused on conformance to specifications. Achieving quality under this definition requires 3 steps: establish product specifications, measure the products to determine whether they are meeting it or not, and then alter the manufacturing process if it is necessary to bring the product to the required standard. The limitation of traditional quality definitions are defining quality as conformance to specifications views it from a producer's point of view. Customer has different perspective. He wants value for his money, and thanks to the competition and education, he has got options and he knows it too. How can we talk of quality as conformance to requirements when customer himself does not know what he wants? The definition of quality has been changing and broadening in recent years at a very fast rate to complement dynamism of a global economic environment, which has been fueled by the IT revolution. There has been a great impact of internet and IT revolution. The cyber revolution has converted the whole world into a global village. Easy connectivity of people and things has uprooted the local limits of competition. Whenever, wherever you compete with the whole world. Companies can no longer be satisfied with producing goods and services that can compete within their own country. Consumers can now select a broad range of products and services from anywhere in the world. The internet has created a Cambrian explosion of opportunities that has brought forth a profound change in the complete environment. Whether you call it a network economy, or you call it a digital economy, or you call it a knowledge economy, or you call it a e-commerce, or you call a business by any other name. Contrary to the general belief, the revolution that has changed our life hour by hour is not being driven by the computers alone. It is the power of communication that has opened new challenges and new vistas of opportunities. Following 4 factors are the main ingredient of the information age modern economy. What are those? C, connectivity; I, intangibles; S, speed; and then again S, surprise.